I don't know how the Iran deal's coming. I don't believe in it.
Yeah, me neither.
It's not very favorable for the United States. We just killed 13 fucking people for nothing. We didn't overturn a regime. And we're giving them money, or we're releasing one. So it's really insanity. Right. It's just walking all over the place here. Coming up on 3:05 in the afternoon, 2:05 Central. Size down there below at 250. Liquidity's below, but this could swing off of prior low 273, and that's what it's doing. There's a hammer back. It doesn't have enough to do it. You could fractal long here. Not doing it. Trying to lift out of this whole very difficult trade. You need to cut it under 300. Just shit trading right there. It lifted, but it was shit trading. Can't even keep it centered. Now they're smacking below. Got a guy on 65s. It's a fractal swing up. They got to hammer him too. Maybe. They're trying. There's a lot of bids they're running through here. Somebody just showed up on a 90. They go get him. Very erratic. So there'll be no. Don't see me making any trades. Hey, Ryan. I guess I should say hi to everybody. Eric, hi. I know you're here a lot. Mazier, Taylor, RC, Camilo. Cool to have you guys. Hey, brother. It's crazy with the FOMC shit. It's like,
yeah,
probably just entered into like gambling. Like if you're gonna trade this, you're really taking a lot of risk. ES is at 47, 75 47s. Not pretty much the same pattern as the NQ from a minute chart standpoint. They almost look identical. Here's the, if you're looking, if you can even fucking see it, here's the NQ to ES. A very, very similar look with the takedown, the lift, a crawl
They're
back
clearing
in.
a little bit of inventory
below us. Thank you. They really hit it hard now, though. I don't know. Can it bounce?
There's big ass reclaim below us too on the delta.
Yeah. God, you're making me want to trade it.
But they're not actively clearing this little resistance below us. There's a little thin area that they are not clearing. So they are pulling back up off of it. It's a little long bias right now. You got this fucking range.
Yeah, it's a wicked, wicked range here, bro. They're coming back down on them now. It's again, you guys are learning. Like, it doesn't matter how long.
They're hitting inventory low.
If you go to, it's very, very dangerous to be trading this shit.
Or they might jump it. Let's see if they jump it.
You think they're gonna smack below? Is it still hitting below?
The problem is the inventory is getting pushed low, but the price is still high, so it could just like it could hit the bottom of the range 36 or some shit.
Then you get a fucking nasty.
Fuck, they put in more resistance.
We're trading 43s, 44s trade. That last swing would have nailed me. 300 to 335. Tough trade short. I don't know. I hate this time of the day too. I do not make money after 3 o'clock.
Yeah. Everything we know about price action kind of goes out the window around this time.
It's all these fucking streamers are on now. You know, the power hour.
Yeah, shut the fuck up.
The power. I'll stream the power hour. So let me get my let me give you my code. Buy eval. Buy MFU with code whatever. Code douchebag. Buy some Lucids too, guys. I know you blew a bunch of those today. Get some TPTs so you can have an intraday trailing drawdown once you're in the fake funded. Get some alphas. Code scam. There you go, brother. Love you, man.
Code scam.
Get code scam. What else can you do? Get some. Get Apex so you don't get paid.
Yeah.
Get some View Linux, but guys, those are only $19 accounts, so I get $1.90 on that. Who am I missing?
They're
Oh my
blowing
God,
out the
Magic, I love
lower
you, man.
inventory.
Lower, and here comes a swing to the downside now. 300s, ES trading 40s.
This might run to 36s. I know I keep saying that, but
Nice job. That's a great trade. I didn't take it, but really good hit. 39.50. ES did not move with the NQ. NQ blasting the 300 guy. Yeah, and there's your 36s. Good call.
there's still inventory below us, though. There's still a large. Oh, they put in a little
Good
resistance. They blew it
smackdown.
out.
Another
It's still on.
smackdown. Look at this fucking brutal hits in the NQ, going for everybody below. Super, super wild, man. Trying to take it up. Let's see if it hammers in again. Trying to lift it. Thin lifts that motherfucker. Here we go. Hammer the motherfucker below. There's more people under this. Look at them fucking take them out. It's just hunting liquidity now. ICT is in here.
Really?
I love you guys. I'm playing. It's hunting my stop.
I thought it was in here.
It's hunting my stop. Taco, my favorite company. Oh man, I've been talking to this guy in Delaware County, PA. We're getting all these expensive evals, and they all have these. You can only take 50%. Like, watch this guy in 50s here. They're gonna take him, or is he gonna hold? They got him. Next guy goes on the 40. They're just hammering this fucker. The reclaim below. There could be a fractal swing here if you're looking at the 3-minute. If you drew a line, they may not give a shit about that line. The guy was telling me you're trading expensive evals that you can only take half the money once you pass. So a 50K lucid, you need to make it to 3. And then you need to make another $4,000, and you're only going to get 1,800 of that. You're going to get 90-10 split. So I don't know. Lucid, I've got MFU. I've got a 25K MF, whatever the fuck it is. My funded futures. Hammering the downside. Hard hammer the downside. Super fast run here. May go to 200. Somebody defends that. There's a big green ball there. They're going to get around that. They don't give a shit who the fuck is out here. They're going to get this 200 guy. I'm super excited now. I'm getting all fucking jacked up. Thin lift up. Heavy. Let's see if they hammer this motherfucker down here. Because there's more than 30 on that bid. Dangerous place to short. We definitely have reclaim below, though, there it is. Are you going? They tap it. It's a front run. They never traded any of it. Very difficult here. You don't want to be short that just yet. All that red there is people selling into bids, and the bids holding. So Lucid, you're going to get paid. We both know that. Like within a minute. And MFFU, the same thing. They pay pretty quick. I have a flex and a builder, a Bob the Builder plan. They're half off today. So 200s survive, and it jumps up 80 points.
That's a big pullback on them not taking out the inventory. They are hitting this upper inventory, though. And this might be a V flush, dude.
Trap the shitload. God damn it, fat cat.
Sheesh.
What?
I just ripped up so fucking much.
Are you fucked up?
No, I'm good. I just didn't take it.
Good.
I was afraid to. No, bro. I was stalking long there, but just
I had
too
a
afraid.
long on micros from 26 to 36.
Fucking beautiful trade, bro.
You need to pay attention, Chronic, because I'm not really listening. I'm trying to get this code done before the session, so just
Yeah, you're good.
Look at this run, man. So they defended 200s hard on the NQ. They defended the 75-25s hard on the ES, and they fucking reverse it like that. I mean, this is 100. It's like a 170 point NQ move. 24. 50s, a 25-point ES move. So I don't know, Taco. Lucid MFFU. I'm going to look at this alpha futures. It's got a 500 DLL on a 25K for $47.50. I can pretty much operate within $500 with micros. You got to use their platform. It has problems. That's why it's on sale right now. A little bit of liquidity on both sides here. 3:14, 3:15 in the afternoon. Look at this guy on the 40s over here. They come to him. Sorry for coughing. The Home Depot job. Are they going to swipe this 40 below us here? Let's see if they go for this guy before they run up. There's a guy in the 70s above. The guy in the 40s gets taken here? I don't know. They swipe the 40s. That's your sign that you could try it. It's too late. It came right back at it. It was nothing there. Very difficult trade. Look at that. Wow. Blasted. Yeah. Trade iffy's decent too, but trades under 10 seconds. Only half your trades and half your profits have to be over 10 seconds. I fucking hate that. Because 10 seconds in this environment is a lot of points, you know. Very janky now. This is super janky. Can you fool the guesser? I don't see any liquidity to target. It's just kind of running. If 300's below in the NQ, then let's see if they fucking defend 300s. What's the ES at? ES trading 39s. We made it through the 300s, but it's, yeah, there's nothing you can do.
They're blowing out low inventory. It's interesting how we're in a range because the delta's like.
Is the delta super negative?
It seems like they want to keep the price here, but they're clearing out inventory low.
Let's see.
Well, not keep the price at 36, but within this range. They are clearing inventory. There's a lot of there's some resistance below us, but they are blowing it out.
Yeah, they hit it and lifted it.
We're closer to the inventory high, which we are not quite tapping it yet.
Mm. 300s are above. There's 70.
There's a little resistance below us and above us. It could go either way. Let's see what they hit. They're hitting a low inventory, so it is a bit short bias, but
it's a good call.
And they are cleaning that inventory a little bit.
This look on the NQ is more reclaimed.
But this might be a fucking slip range before they hit that. Some of those legs down below us.
Damn it.
Oh, they cleared more inventory. They cleared more inventory. There's a huge, massive fucking inventory below us.
Not chase it.
Big ass reclaim.
See if it then lifts back.
Can they fucking blow it? I don't know if there's a big resting bid down there, but if there was, he could.
50s trade in the NQ, but there's a lot going on right here. They take it. Very, very thin, all the way down to the 200.
I think there's somebody reloading. I can't tell because like it just knocked out more of that inventory below.
Let's see who's in the ESU6. Let's see what this looks like. Oh shit, there's a ton of stuff down there at 7,500, 7510s. Look at that walk into it. What's it got? This feels dumpy. I know, bro. It's just Look at it. You see the problem with that when the NQ trade is it's going to cost you 20, 30 points if you fucking enter bad, you know?
Even though this is pulling back and shit, they're not hitting the upper inventory.
This is the view of the
Now they are a little bit. Actually, they did hit it.
this is the book map view of the ES as it's kind of drifting back into the 30s. There's 100 lot out there.
It's hard to say, but they're pushing the low inventory right here.
Can they fall through this 25 psych number and blast this fucker? Are they gonna fucking reclaim up?
It's hard to say what they're gonna do right here. It's short bias though.
Right, nothing below us to 20s. Let's see if they take it.
There it goes.
Good read.
If they can clap out this remaining inventory, we should. There's
Great
a
read.
huge
dude.
swath of inventory down there, like a couple hundred contracts. There it goes. They're into the big one.
The
Yeah.
big one.
Oh yeah. This tool is fucking really good.
Man. All right, so 1750s trade and we lift. Let's see if they hammer back into the 15 guy. Thin above, they do. They fucking ran it. Motherfuckers, dude. Some days are just so easier than the others. They're going to get the 10 guy too? Yep. Good read, man. I don't know how much more this has got, but they're going to...
They're just banging out shit, dude. There's a resistance here, but man, they're fucking knocking it out. I mean, it's
Way to
short
go,
until
man.
it tells me it ain't short no more.
Nice trade, Taylor. Short from fucking 100 points ago, I think. Yeah, you're short from almost 100 points ago. Great trade, dude. Good read.
Yeah, that's impressive.
Huh?
Break even for in a runner. Good job,
Oh,
brother.
wait,
Just
what?
take it
Be
right
quiet,
down.
Greg. What'd you say?
I was talking to Greg. I said that's impressive that guy caught that trade.
Okay, sorry. You're good.
No, we're
Greg.
good. Yeah, we're all family in here. It don't matter. You can tell me to shut the fuck up. I think they're gonna run the 7500s too. Look at this shit, dude. And that's really accelerated. Good trade, Taylor.
There's another pocket of inventory here.
Start following it, bro. Don't fucking get played too. You know what I mean? Take profit last year, 75. Yeah, don't.
They just built some resistance. There might be a big pullback. They're pushing on the. Oh, nope, never mind. It's still like good to go on the low side, unless they put in. This stall is a little goofy, but it's still short.
Fucking thing. Stupid Echo Dot. Right. There's a defense of the 7500s. Very thin above.
See, that's pulling back on no fucking volume. I don't know if that's some arbitrage going on or what the fuck the deal is. Now it's hitting the upper inventory.
Yeah.
Oh, but they
slammed back
jammed
in,
it the
man.
fuck down.
I got a lift. Dude. Got another lift.
I don't really know here. They're about to
Yeah,
hit the
that
upper
fucking-
inventory.
There's nothing there above it. They're grinding it up. Yeah, I'm not trading it this time either.
A little bit of resistance. They might hit it again on the upside.
Good job, man. That's a nice trade, bro. Good job to go flat on that lift. A brutal lift in the NQ. About 115.
Still closer to the upper inventory. I don't. Starting to pull mid, so it's closer to the short inventory. It's not hitting it yet, though. Now, are they pushing it? They're still not quite. They're tapping the lower inventory.
Appreciate you too, bro. Nice trade, dude. That's the guy you do it, man. Stock your fucking trades and get the fuck
I
done.
can't tell.
Hitting
Short
yeah, NQ
off that leg. I don't know if they're gonna pull back. This is a big ass leg. This is a
NQ's
big
popped
fucking
up
leg, though.
hard.
It did pull
Yeah.
and hit the inventory. See,
Hold
the
on.
inventory don't tell you about the reclaims. You got to pay attention to the price reclaim.
It's still the same way we always trade, man. All right, 30,100 is a target on this swing here. It's very, very short in the hole.
They're hitting the upper inventory. They keep hitting the upper inventory. This might be a range where it does push high more. This fucking little range thing here.
Don't
They're
see
hitting
a
the lower
sell up
inventory
there.
now.
All right, watch out. We're spooling here in NQ, real tight here. All of a sudden,
They're hitting the lower inventory.
the 3100s is 20 points down.
They're hitting the lower inventory.
Man, are they going to break 30 thou?
Yeah, there's another big pool they're about to hit down there. A massive pool of like hundreds of contracts, but they just put in a little bit of resistance.
7500s in the ES getting defended.
They're probably gonna pop it again on low. It's good. Low. Can they run it? I don't know if they're gonna jump it. There it is.
Hard jam to the NQ. They did not take out the 100s in the NQ though. Now it's going to slow grind this size here. A lift again, so you front run the NQ 100s. And front run it by huge.
They're
lift,
tapping the
25
upper
points.
inventory a little bit. They're
Mhm.
pushing the upper side.
Let's look at the ES real quick. ES very floaty here on the twos. 249 contracts just showed up under 10. Get going for this fucking guy up here.
Wow, look at that psych price. Look how much volume's trading down there. That's nuts.
They gotta make a run for this 10 guy, or are they gonna fractal back on the 7500 for real? Very difficult read here this time of day. This fractal holes right here, but swings up on somebody. Fractal holes. They're running this 10 guy thin. Watch this 10 guy go. He came down actually, I think. Oh man, they're just front running this 248. Gone. Now there's a 500 bid
Banging out
below
all
us.
this inventory above us.
Good read. Watch this 500 guy below. There's a 175 guy up under 20.
They're still clearing the inventory above us.
So when people like this size show up, guys, they're gonna probably get traded. This isn't like spoofing shit that you kind of.
They're still hitting the inventory above us.
See how they came
Oop.
back on them?
They just cleared inventory low.
Yep.
That's might short.
See how it's gone? I think it came out. Let's
They just
see.
blew inventory low. I don't know if there was a big bid or what.
It was 512.
Okay. I know the price is creeping up, but they're blowing out the inventory low. Oh, now they're hitting
It came
inventory
back
up.
for a fat cat. It started creeping away from him. And then
They're
it
hitting the
slapped him.
inventory up again.
Yeah, this is a tough trade to be in here.
I think they're gonna hit it low. They're about to test
Fractal
the low of it.
swing, man. Just watch the upside. The reclaim's big up too.
Ooh, I can't tell.
I know.
They're tapping the upper inventory.
12's trade. I don't see anybody out
They're
here.
tapping the lower inventory. They're tapping
Another
the upper.
smack
They're tapping the
down.
lower. I can't fucking tell. It's low. Low.
I don't know if we
Let's
lift here. There's nothing all the way up to 18.
There's a lot of resistance on both sides.
I'd be surprised
tapping.
if we don't sweep 75s. Let me look.
This is where I need to look at the stocks, but I don't have them up. Upper
at this.
inventory tapped.
Fractal swing. Can they reload or not? They're drifting.
Tapping low.
Still very difficult trade. Let me look at the NQ, bro. God,
Oh,
there's shit
definitely
everywhere.
short.
I would like him to take out 175. What do you got, bro? It's just the data lows. Grindy into the 150s on that NQ, bro. I don't know. I would not, if this was real money instead of a fake funded, I would not be trading my real money. 328 Eastern. Watch out for 330, 335, 340, 350s. Some grinding out on this NQ. Watch 30,200 above. Stuff is showing up. How's the ES look? Shitty. I don't know. I guess they want 7,500s. Not
They're
much
still
on.
banging out this inventory low, man.
Are they gonna get this guy or not, dude?
It's still low. It's still short. It's super short.
Here
If
it
they can
comes up.
hit this motherfucker, this price will go back to 98s or whatever. If they can just, there's everything looks good for it. For Now they put resistance. Now they're tapping the upside. Tapping low.
It's
What just happened to my fucking Claude?
7503 chop block up. It come right on that 7500. Again, it gets defended. This time they trade them. Not much size there. I'm surprised. There's your 98s. NQ. It's a fucking shit show, man. Nothing down until the 90s, all the way back to 7510. Super thin. Stuff showing up on the 100s here on NQ. 30,100. This fucking, it wouldn't shock me if this thing don't run 30,000 even, but all right, here you go. 329.40. 20 seconds to the bottom. 20 seconds to the bottom of the hour. Good. I'm glad you trade expansion. I've been adding that to my book map read. That's what I've been doing here. You're 100% correct, bro. There's downside risk, but you might get expansion up. Okay, getting real janky right here. See, I knew it too, motherfuckers. You could just see it compressing. Coming right back in.
Yeah, they did get back down there, didn't they?
Yep. Don't know if the fucking NQs compress hard here. On the there's a
Well,
lot of
you to
both sides are trying, man. Both sides are trying, but 100's below here in the NQ. Very compressed. They run it out. They trade the 100 guy out hard. Thin list up. Really difficult trade down the bottom here. I don't have it.
Yeah, she's a wiggly bitch down here.
Yeah, it is really compressed. Now somebody shows up in the NQ, they take them. 100 contracts, it's like a lot just traded at 112. 657. Mostly long. They come around it. Holy shit. Watch out, NQ, man. What was that? ES listed to 7,500. Runs through the 7,500 hard on super thin. Holy shit. Nothing there.
Strong bids
Good
coming
10-point
in.
move. Coming back in a little. I don't know if it's fucking fractal up or not. Very thin below. Damn, man. How's this thing look? Again, they reload the 30,100s here. Dude, I'm gonna fucking blast through the bottom here is what it's gonna do. 100s trade NQ. ES at 93. Small I knew it, motherfuckers, dude. Oh well, it doesn't matter what you do. Janky, like super janky on the whole number, 30,100. Hard hit. 105s trade 75s. Yeah, I knew they were going to rip this bitch down. I'm just, how much pain you're going to take. Is that the final clear? Is that where they're done? Or they got more? Easily come back at it. Yeah, there's a lot of reclaim above now. Yeah. And that's why you don't shorten the fucking hole. There's a fractal swing right there on the 95s. Lots of action on the 100s. I don't have a read. It looks good to the up, but maybe they flush this reclaim here. Late in the day. Very, very late in the day. Small lift, come back on them. Hard hit. I guess this wants to close below 30,000. I don't know. every prick trying to long this is going to get flushed.
Well,
I
they're
don't know
still
if I'll-
clearing lower inventory, and there's a fuckload of resistance above us. So even if it pulls back, it's gonna get stuck in the 500, 505 range or whatever.
Oh my god, below us in the 85s, 81s, 80s, there's all kinds of fucking people sitting.
I like this fucking Delta tool because it's pulling up history from other days.
That's useful.
There's a definitely fucking problem here, but
I'm gonna go with Taylor. No, I don't think it's worth it to take, even though. it
how are you
probably-
doing, Chronic?
I'm up slightly. I'm just observing for the most part. It's so whippy. I think you could only trade a micro in this environment.
I mean, it's just a stupid gut feeling. I don't know. There's somebody defending the 60 right here. They're gonna. want
Well,
this thing to
they're
go.
clearing the inventory low, so I don't know if this cunt's gonna get pushed.
There's a little bit of a lift.
They're
It could
still
go further
clearing. There's a
down.
lot of inventory down there still. They're still tabbing the fuck out of it. Oh, they're
Yes, a
pulling to the
little
higher
bit.
inventory. They're directly between. Oh, they're tapping the low. Tapping the low. These Delta boxes are going to glow white every time they tap it. That's going to be a modification I'm working on. Hitting the upper. Oh, it's going to pull up a bit.
Good swings, guys. 75's trade. Let's see. ES is at 91.
Hitting the lower inventory.
Lots of room below here in the NQ for a dump.
I can't tell. Oh, they just cleared a fuckload of low inventory. But the price ain't fucking moving. And that might pull upward again. See, we're
Gotcha.
mid-range. I don't know if it's going to dump off this mid-range yet. There it goes.
Violet moves up.
Oh, this is such a good tool. Chronic.
Yeah, it sounds like
Just
it, dude.
adds a level of fucking precision. Like precision. Stocks are great for knowing what's going on and shit. But the ability just to be precise on entry.
What time is it? 3:36. Stupid time of day to be fucking pushing it.
They're fucking nibbling at this lower inventory. So may or may not dump low real fast.
Stuff on
Even though the price
85s.
is all the way up here.
There's a
Ooh.
guy up here at 96 and a quarter, dude. They just
They're
got
hitting the
him.
upper inventory.
Gotcha.
But somebody's reloading that too on the short side.
Yeah. It hit it.
It's
there's a
reloading
lot-
on both sides.
You got a little bit of reclaim below, but maybe they
It's
drifted
still
back
long
up.
inventory.
Kind of drifting up.
There's so much resistance above us, though. We'll
Shitty chop
see.
block.
The thing is, if they chew through all this inventory above us, it'll run hard, which they are, because there's
Oh,
a
yeah,
lot
right.
of stop runs above. Low inventory.
Taylor was saying it. Even though we're targeting it down, you got a lot of risk up a lot at this time of day.
Fuck, it's reloading both sides.
So my hands
The
were
short
up to the most.
inventory, upper
Let's look out for that
inventory.
guy. They trade 120 with size and NQ. Falls back hard.
They're
Blast
clearing the
down.
low inventory.
There you go. I don't know.
Here's
Maybe
the
it does.
dump.
It might
Here-
want to go under 30,000. I don't know.
Here's the dump. Somebody's about to let go. We'll see. We'll see if they hold on. But man, they're hitting the upper inventory. This might be channeling upward. Lower inventory.
Boom. Fuckers.
There it is. There they
That's what
are.
we
Get
know.
fucked.
Look at the size that just traded. Fucking
Get fucked.
get fucked. I knew it. I mean, it's like, I don't know if this thing will stay above 30,000. Something happened they don't like.
They're hitting a huge inventory pocket down here. There might be another really big leg down.
Blasted that bitch. Let's see how 30,000s do. I'm not trading anymore because it's too late in the day. Oh my god. Fucking beautiful. I love trading with you guys. I love everybody in the room. Good luck. Guys, guess what? I'll be in the room all night. I'm going to go get my pizza. Because I don't like to trade after this. But nice call to get it down here. Great reading.
You're gonna
Thank
go
you,
get a
Fat
pizza?
Cat. I'm up good amount of money in a real account.
Oh.
Look at the
Congrats.
30,000s here. There's nothing on it. Let's see if it can swing back on them. Everybody buying here. It looks like they're going to get toasted, but we'll see. Here comes a hammer back on the 30s. Some front running it. Smack the 3000s. Fucking amazing. Great reads on everybody's part. I'll be back in the room in a bit. I'm going to go get my food.
Where are you getting pizza from?
It's called Jerry's Pizza Pie in Honeybrook.
Is it good?
Pretty good, yeah.
Is it thin crust?
Yeah, it's it's thin. I hate
Is
thin.
it crispy?
As long as they don't.
I'm hungry right now. I
Yeah.
don't wanna
You know what, bro? You know how your
I'm eating
favorite
it vicariously through you.
I don't know. Do you guys go through this? Your favorite pizza place is inconsistent. Got 200 in the NQ at 29, 915 below. That's a big order for this. Got 100 up at 95. They're inconsistent, dude. So if they're rushed and they take it out, it's gross. Like if they take it out before it's really cooked. But if they do it right and you order it in the middle of the week when they're not busy, it's probably going to be really fucking
Best
salty.
pizza I had was like in the financial district in Manhattan, and I
That
don't
stuff
know.
is, oh my God, New York pizza. But oh my God, that is so good.
Some about that red sauce because it had the
They make-
melted like clumps of cheese on it, and there was something about that sauce that I
they
just
make
can't
it-
get anywhere else. It was like sweet or something.
You'll never find it in the country anywhere. Yeah. So this pizza place is a hit or miss. It's either going to be unbelievable or I'm going to be eating a piece and giving it to my next door neighbor. Fractal swings are up, chop walk up, reclaim high behind us in the NQ. Still, I don't know. Getting real late in the day. It's 3:41 Eastern. All right, I better get this thing before they fucking call me. I'll be back. Love you guys.
Bye.
Hey, we got some code. So we need to remove. Ah, this tool is so good. Oh. Wait a second. I'm not sure what the fuck they're doing here. You quiet. What are you doing?
I'm just observing. I took two longs down there that worked. It does kind of seem like there might be a change in character down here, but I mean, it's hard to nail moves like that, you know?
Yeah.
The bouncy bitch today. pinballing now. It's got 2 big orders on the open interest that it's bouncing around between.
Oh yeah, if you look at my screen now, it'll hit the edge of the delta. When the delta hits the edge of a inventory box that needs a rebalance or a reclaim, it'll
Mhm.
turn white. So the price and the delta are arbitrage. That's why the scale's moving. But we can tell when it glows white if it's hitting the upper or lower.
That helped. I caught along right there.
What's the load up on these things?
Big bullish divergence on stocks. They're selling heavy right now.
Hey, on your bid offer,
Mm-hmm.
there's a setting that's 4 in there. You're gonna want to turn it to 1 on both of them.
Okay.
I don't remember where it is. It won't erase nothing. And on white 1 in the image, you can see the reclaim overlay seems to be loading more days. I don't know how accurate it is versus the cumulative delta that doesn't seem to be loading boxes down here. This is the low of the session. So can you look through the code and tell me what might be causing that? Also, is there a logger on the reclaim overlay and reclaim delta to check if boxes are being drawn, or is that coming from the ES delta calibration? What did you change on that? So since there's different delta to price bar relationships that can be taller or lower, you have to run a daily calculation. It's easy to do. I feel like you've been forgetting to put in your stock weights for the day with the Python.
Who, me?
Yeah.
No, I've been doing it consistently every single morning.
Okay, good. So there's going to be a little thing you're going to run on message log with this delta deal, and it's going to calibrate to make sure your price bars and your delta bars are the same. They have a similar relationship. Because during rollover, the delta to currently it's like 20. So for every 20 ticks of something, so it fixes it.
Mhm.
Because you can shrink your scales on your cumulative delta versus your price.
Yeah.
We need to get those bars roughly the same size, even though they never will be. So depending on if we're going trading rollover, high volatility, low volatility, you run this calibration study one time at the beginning of the day, and it spits out a number, and then you just plug that in to make sure, and it basically adjusts them so they have roughly the same relationship.
that makes sense.
Oh, fuck.
Sheesh. All the way back down to low day. That's crazy. And then all the way back up.
250.
That's nuts. Yeah, I'm not trading that.